Good morning, everybody. This is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, and I got another video for you. It's raining outside, but the rain doesn't stop me, so let's get started and see what we got for you today. So today we're going to be doing a new 24 Cherokee Wolf Pup 16FQWBL. Excuse me, a little bit of a pause there. Information's going to pop up on the screen here, but let's get started. This just came in, so we're going to do some features around the outside. We'll get on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe if you're new. We're at 17,100 subscribers about. We're on the road to 20,000 subscribers, but let's get started. Starting off in the front, single propane tank, 20-pounder, rock guard here. Do our side profile. Frameless tinted windows. Hot water heater. And right off to the left, if the GoPro can pick it up, you got a dry weight of 3,783 pounds and a length of, let's see, 21 feet 10 inches. Manual jacks. We got our enclosed underbelly. Looks like the GoPro can pick it up. We do have heated tanks as well. Fresh and city water connection. Right below, outdoor shower. Nice big beefy tires. Furnace here. Black tank flush, 30 amp service, tanks, moving around to the back, we got our spare tire on the back here, Lippert ladder attachment right there. Along to the right side of that we do have a backup camera as well. Coming around right before we get into the front, another side view. Little outdoor fridge. Large power awning with LED light strip. Bluetooth speakers on the outside with the blue LEDs on the inside of that as well, right on the outside, or on the outside here, those will light up. Little TV mount here. There's our Black Label logo. A little bit closer view of this driven speaker system here. And before we jump on the inside, our last cupboard over here. A large amount of pass-through storage for a smaller unit like this that doesn't have a slide. Goes all the way back here. Solid steps to get on the inside. And again, right on the door. There's our dry weight. Off to the left, fire extinguisher for your safety. Alright, so we're in. So I'm going to start off with the bed area. Like I said, this doesn't have a slide, but you do have plenty of windows in here to let in some natural light. But we got a nice queen bed here. Hard to do this with one hand. There's that storage from the outside. There's that little cubby that I was just talking about, so you could store from outside or inside. And then just hovering over some of the features here. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more info. Perfect. Lights right up above the bed, so if you want to use them as a reading light. Storage here. Charging outlets. And on the other side there. Right up above you have your driven that projects the light right down on the floor for just kind of a nice welcome when you walk in. Air conditioner up above us. So this is, with my back up against the bed here, this is the entire space. No slide, but being in this, you have plenty of room to move around. You have a larger counter space here. Your kitchen area or your dinette can convert down so you can sleep another person, sleeps 3. Lots of device charging outlets, GFCI outlets throughout this unit. We got the Driven app so you can control your radio from your phone. We got a thermostat here. Control panel here. Everything's right where you need it to be. And then another QR code for information. There's the inside speaker. Also will light up blue. TV holder here. And the appropriate hookups up above. A little bit more info for everybody watching. And again, this will pop up at the beginning of the video as well. This removes your sinks underneath. 2-burner cooktop here. Then our disconnect hides right at the bottom. Intelligent battery detection down below, lead acid. Here's our freezer. Nice large fridge. What's cool about this is it opens both ways. So if you wanna sneak out from the shower and grab a shower beer, you can do that from this side without having to go all the way out. But let's get into the bathroom. So again, you got a lot of space to work with in here. Nice counter space. Another outlet in there. Medicine cabinet here. We got our fan up above. And then for a unit like this, look at this shower. This is insane. So leaving the bathroom and doing the view from the bathroom. And look how close that fridge is. But that's going to do it for this video. A little bit shorter today on this unit, but my name's Nate Green from Bowling RV in Duluth, Minnesota. If you want some more information on this unit, all my contact info is going to be in the description box below. Hope you guys enjoyed. Smash the like button, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.